up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
Time to do another build. This is a Toyota Prius. This one got the quarter panel painted and the bumper cover. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one together so we can go home today. One more to put together. This one got the quarter panel painted, blended the rear door and the bumper cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one together as well. Back to this Honda CRV I started on 2 days ago.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one got smacked real good in the back. Door gap right here is a little tighter from everything being pushed forward. This one's getting a rear body panel. I almost have it cut apart. There's a panel. I'm gonna do a little more trimming and I'm gonna get this rear body panel off. I cut it in half just to make it easier. I'll take it off in 2 pieces and then I'll start cleaning it up and fitting the new panel up. Comes out easy in 2 pieces, but it's gonna be a little tricky, I think, fishing this new one in there. I will find out when I get to that point. There's the weld that's been holding me up. Couldn't see it. There it is. So I'm looking at Honda's procedures on how to do this rear body panel because it won't fit up in there the way it is. I got to do something, and it looks like they actually want you to cut a window on each side right here, but I'm going to try to avoid doing that. But that's one thing they want you to do. Then they also want you to separate this piece off of the rear body panel on both sides, and I think if I do that, I'll be able to fit this rear body panel in if I separate these two pieces, which is something they also tell you to do right here. So I'm going to try that, and then if I have to, I'll cut the window like they want me to, but I'm going to try to avoid cutting that window if I can. So as I'm drilling these out, I'm trying to be careful to not drill straight through. I want to only drill through this top layer because I'm going to be reusing both of these parts. And if I drill straight through, then it's not going to be the same way to weld it together. So I want to save the back panel as much as possible. Now I don't know if this will work because they want both of those sides off in order to fit this in here, but I'm going to give it a shot and see. It's worth a try before I cut the other side off. Yeah, that's not going to happen. This is a horrible design, Honda. Alright, now let's see if I could fish this thing in there without having to cut the windows like they want me to. I think I'll be able to. Got it in there. It was a tight fit. I had to pry around it a little bit, but it is in there. And it looks like these will slide right in place, but I'm going to go ahead and get the panel sitting exactly where I want it before I worry about those. Alright, I got this back panel just about all fit up. Starting to fit the tail lights. I gotta fit the seals and latches and everything, but it's looking good, coming along good. I'll get back on this one on Monday. That's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys on Monday.